building a strong foundation for financial success. Business accounting is the backbone of every business operation. It not only tracks financial performance but also provides the tools to plan and grow. To maintain reliability and consistency, accounting follows universally accepted principles. Major types of accounting: financial accounting, managerial accounting, tax accounting. The accounting cycle is a series of steps that businesses follow to track and report financial transactions. Essential financial reports. Tools for effective accounting. Key accounting tools: automated systems, cloud solutions, expense and time tracking. Types of accounting reports: income statement, balance sheet and equity statement. Financial statements and their importance. Challenges in business accounting: errors in recording transactions, balance sheet and cash flow statement. Strategies for overcoming accounting challenges. In conclusion, effective business accounting relies heavily on the use of modern tools, strategic planning, and ongoing education. Automation and cloud-based solutions can greatly improve the accuracy and efficiency of accounting. If you like my presentation, kindly react, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to follow my official page. Best regards, Team Quicken Accounting.